Now here's Jada, and he has his new set, the gunship. This is from my birthday. Let's start off with the Mayfix. Now here's the Super Baldroid. He looks kind of cool. Well, he sticks his arm out like this, and he says, "Hey, I'm going to stir shit," like that. So you can put a stud in there when you get it. And now, here's Padawan Anakin. He has the Padawan braid right there. And he has his green lightsaber. He has a double-sided face. He has an angry face. And when the Super Baldroids are dead, he's happy. Well, his hair is almost like Jack 14's, but his hair's not black, so he's not Jack 14's hair. Now here's Obi-Wan Kenobi. He has a blue lightsaber. He has those Pullman Trevor legs in the AT-AT, and he has hair. He has a double-sided face, an angry face, and a few face when the Baldroids are dead. Now we are on to this Stormtrooper. He has a minigun. He has the tank. He has a face. He has that little antenna there. And he's like all the other Stormtroopers. Now we're on to this one, the red one, and he's cool. He has a big gun, like Republic Stormtrooper. He has an angry face too. Now we're on to Padme. Now here it is with the scratch from the monster, and even this face when Super Baldroids are here. Here, piece 2. Now we're on to the gunship. Yeah. So let's start off with this piece. So this piece opens. There's a little piece inside. This piece. Now this piece opens. This piece too. And you can put a Mayfix into it. And there's a hiding spot right there. You can put Obi-Wan's lightsaber there. And Anakin's. Oh, that piece fell off again. Just putting this piece on. Yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, now that piece moves. How's this getting on? That's good. I will do this without it in the movie, I guess. So this can move, and the other one can move that I could put on. So this, you can put Obi-Wan in here. And now he goes on there too. There's these little things that open, and you put one gun in there. Now, oh, you put this piece in. Doesn't. There. Now, here's the handle. It opens and closes. There's big guns. I know that Lego made these big guns. But there's these missiles on the top. And there's these bubbles that open and close. So you can put this guy right here. If you put this in there. The hinge part of it. Now, here's the bubbles. There's those controls there. Let's put a minifig inside like Anakin. Now these doors open and close. And this opens. There's a little speaker inside. And you can put headway on it. Just like this. Just slide in. Like that. The door doesn't close all the way in. And now, there's this piece where Padme goes on, and the Super Battle Droids don't have anything on. In the video, they just go and then the gunship shoots them and they're dead. And remember, there's a stud put. And these are my Super Battle Droids. And they got the Spider Droid and Jack 14, the Headhunter, and the little thing with Super Battle Droids. And so that was the end of my movie, guys. I put this piece on now.
Jaden, it's Jaden, Mommy.
I'm here.
Jaden, my buddy Jaden. Mommy, my Jaden.
One more thing I got to show you that wasn't the end of my movie. There's a hologram in here. Can see blue in it. So it's like this. Oh, I have Yoda now. This is my ATRT. So it just goes in this little box.
Mommy.
And this glue goes on here. It goes right in here. And now that was the end of my movie. I forgot that hologram piece. Now we'll make the Spider Droid next.